What do the next 5 years hold for you? What's your plan ahead?
I've met many founders who've sold their business and then they go off and they want to do crazy adventures. And I applaud them for that. And no judgments whatsoever, but some of them talk about, I've met one that wanted to explore the depths of the ocean. One wanted to explore space, right? And I've told them all, like, what do you want? And I said, well, I want to explore my own mind. I want to know why I think the way that I do. I want to know why I am the way that I am. And I think that's infinite. That's bigger than the universe inside here, just getting to know that. And then I also say something that's really vexing, confusing, and angering to a lot of people. Nobody really gets me when I say this, but what I want the most is to not want. Just want to not want. And I think
What does that mean? What does that mean to not want? Surely you don't want now. You don't want for anything. You can buy anything.
Yeah, I don't feel a desire to. I feel I think it means learning to be content with what you got.
Are you there now?
And so I met one founder who said that when he sold his business, he bought a yacht and he went to, Greece and he dropped anchor and he was like, I have made it. And then a bigger yacht dropped anchor next to him the next day, a much bigger yacht. And he was like, oh, I haven't worked hard enough. He said he was, so happy when he got that yacht. And then as soon as he saw someone with a bigger yacht, he became unhappy, just like that. Why? And I think it's preventing that. That's what I mean.
Have you got there now though?
I don't know. I think time will tell. You said 5 years. Why are you pushing me now? You said over the next 5 years. Give me time, Harry.
Ben, I'm a VC. I'm here to push you. Your timeline, my timeline. That's why you didn't take VC money.